Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a schedule for your tasks in Clickup using start dates, due dates, and the calendar view. Whether you're organizing personal work, client projects, or team assignments, scheduling tasks correctly helps you stay on track and manage your time more efficiently. Let's jump right into it. To begin, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Sign into your account using your credentials, and once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the space, folder, or project where your tasks are stored. Before you can create a schedule, you'll first need a task to work with. Open the project or list where you want the scheduled task to appear. If the task already exists, you can simply open it. Otherwise, click Add Task or the plus button to create a new task. Give your task a clear name so it's easy to identify later. For example, this could be a meeting, content deadline, project milestone, or any assignment you want to organize. Once you finish naming the task, click Save or Create Task. Now, open the task by clicking on it. Inside the task window, locate the Dates section. This is where you'll set the schedule for the task using a start date and due date. First, click Start Date. A calendar pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the day the task should begin. Choose the appropriate date based on your schedule. If you want the task to start at a specific hour, you can also enable the Time option and select an exact starting time. After setting the start date, move to the Due Date section. This determines when the task should be completed. Click the Due Date field and select the finishing date from the calendar. You can also add a due time if you want more precise scheduling. Using both start dates and due dates is important because it helps Clickup organize your tasks more accurately in timelines, workload views, and calendars. It also improves visibility for team collaboration since everyone can clearly see when work begins and when it needs to be completed. Once your dates and times are selected, simply click outside the calendar window or save the task. Your schedule will now be applied automatically. To verify the schedule, return to your task list. You should now see the assigned dates displayed directly beside the task name. This gives you a quick overview of upcoming deadlines without needing to open each task individually. For a more visual overview, switch to the calendar view in Clickup. If it's not enabled, click Add View and choose Calendar to see all your scheduled tasks in daily, weekly, or monthly layouts. This makes it easier to track deadlines and manage your workload. You can also drag and drop tasks directly within the calendar view to quickly reschedule them whenever priorities change. And that's how you can create and manage schedules in Clickup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.